So many of us sometimes think that Sabbath school is just a pre-service program, something to pass time before divine worship. But the truth is, Sabbath school is so much more. It is a school of life, a training ground for service, and a fellowship of believers preparing for eternity. So, ako nga purpose why we are iplano ka din sa church to attend our Sabbath school. Sabbath school is the heart of the church, so we are reminded that we must keep it strong, healthy, and growing. For if the heart is weak, the whole body suffers. But if the heart is strong,